Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a very special guest in the building. I am going to be glamming Erica up today. Stay with us through this process of installing this frontal wig. So here I am going in to use my Skin Protect. And here I am going in with my glue. So I'm going in with the second layer of glue, and I am trying as much as possible to avoid the hairline and also not bring the frontal too forward. So I am just applying my glue in thin layers. Now I am going in with my hot comb and my wax stick to smoothen out the edges before I do any little plucking. At this point, we were confused on what parting to go for, so we decided to try out the side part and see how it was looking. So here we were testing to see, should we do side, should we do center, and yeah. So I decided to tie it down for a little bit before I check out the center part. Checking out the center to see which was best. Preferably I decided to pick the center, and she also loved the center part as well, so we went for it. Because the wig had been used previously not by me, I had to recustomize the hairline. So this is me just going in to twist the hairline a little bit and make it look more realistic. here I am going in with my scissors to cut out the excess lace. So one thing you would notice is this: even if I am installing an old lace frontal, at the beginning it might look like there is no lace to be cut out, but by the time I am done recustomizing, there is always a little bit of lace that comes out because I had to recustomize the hairline to perfectly match the client's hairline. If you have signed up for our online class happening this May, then you are in for a treat. We're going to be teaching how to customize the lace frontals, in-depth teachings on how to even install your frontals on yourself, and lots more. 4 different looks are going to be taught in this class. The link is going to be on the description box. If you would like to register, just click on the link, and it's a seamless process, just $45, and you register for this class. One thing you must always do, you have to fill up the extra spaces with your glue. So wherever the glue doesn't get to, it's always better to fill it up other than having to start cleaning out the extra glue which is in front of the lace. So here I am just using the tip of my needle to fill up the places that needs to be filled up. Now for the ear parts, it's always important to use a little bit more glue because the ear part is always the first part to lift, so you have to be careful not to put less than what you need. So always note that for the ear part you have to put more glue. What lace, guys? We haven't melted here, but I mean it's already looking snatched. Here I am going in with my melting spray. As we all know, I like to use my brush to put it in bit by bit, so I do not smear it on the face, after which I go into blow dry. Now we are going in to curl the hair. So here I am going to section it into different parts and curl as quick as I can. So I wanted a little bit bigger curls, so I used a big curling iron for this look in particular. just going in to do some little finishing touches. Here I am using my got to be glue. I also went in with my marker to fill up the curtain so it could look a little bit smaller. And yeah, this makeup look was done by Tenny Coco. It's like I love every bit of this look on Erica, and I hope you do. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment in the comment box below. Bye guys.